This is the Hortisthetic Kit. It's a part of my senior project, and there's a lot of information that I linked in the description of images that have Hortisthetic in the title. Indoor plants have been linked to many different benefits. For example, having plants, fake plants, or even posters of plants in hospital waiting rooms decreases a patient's stress and anxiety. Additionally, plants can actually reduce stress both physio and psychologically while increasing task performance. These effects are related to the aesthetic value of a space, and it can really impact day-to-day life. And so, this kit serves to improve those values of, say, your home office or your study room, thus decreasing your stress, anxiety, and probably increasing your productivity. The kit includes a flower pot, pebbles for drainage, seeds, a spray bottle, and a miniature print from my poster series. Thanks for watching.